So in your opinion, what is the overview and outlook on the overall industry and economy for both the local and international market? And what do you think it's the direction?
I think first of all for Taiwan for 2016, we do expect it to be better than 2015. Domestically, I think the Thai government has taken certain measures to stimulate more spending in terms of the domestic economy. So we hope and look forward in 2016 there'll be actually more domestic purchasing power. Across the ASEAN region, different markets I think are growing at a different pace. Vietnam is very growing strongly, and Vietnam is a key market for Taiwan this year. Around the region, I think we still expect steady growth in different markets. So for Taiwan, we do export our products to key overseas markets, for example, China, Taiwan, the US. So overall in 2016, we do expect relatively solid growth.
Okay. What's the company's action plan for 2016? And are there any particular focus operational strategies to comply with the overall economy?
Taiwan has merged for almost slightly less than 1 year now. So about 7-8 months ago, we merged the starch business and the food business. For 2016, will be the first year of growth for the company. And we do expect profitable growth for Taiwan for the next few years. Our starch business is growing strongly because we export to most of the overseas markets. For example, I mentioned China, Taiwan, US. For our food business, again, we expect steady growth around the ASEAN region, and we're making a big push into Vietnam. So there are 3 core strategies for the company for the next 3 to 5 years. Growing regionally, innovation, developing new products and new verticals, and finally operational excellence by continuing on the consistent track record that Taiwan has been doing for many years.
Again, what's the overall assessment of Taiwan Public for the next 3 years, 2017 to 2019? What would it be in terms of the direction of operations and the growth of the company?
Last year when we merged the company, the vision for Taiwan 2020, so our 5-year plan is to double the company in size. We still have a plan to double the company to hopefully around 10 billion in sales by different pillars. So the first pillar is regional growth. So traditionally we've been very strong in Thailand. We continue to extend our market leadership in Thailand, but also branching out into new markets, Vietnam, Myanmar, Laos and Cambodia. So the first is a regional strategy in the next 5 years. Second of all, we believe as a company to focus on innovation. Since we merged, we focus a lot more efforts on R&D, research and development, product improvements, product innovation, launching new products. In the next 2 or 3 years, you'll see Taiwan actually launch new products into the market, both B2B and both B2C. And finally, I think operational excellence is very important. Historically, we've been growing profitably for the last 10 years. It is very important as a company we continue to focus on operations and operational excellence. That means delivering our products to our customers, whether they are in China, they are in Vietnam, they are in Myanmar, they are in Thailand, and serving our customers good products every day.
And do you have any targets in terms of revenue and profit for operations for the year 2016 and for the next 3 years?
As a company, in general to investors, we do not give specific earnings guidance because we want to build a long-term profitable company. That being said, I think year on year in terms of top line, we definitely plan and can look forward towards at least high single-digit growth. This is a combination of organic growth by focusing on improving company operations in starch and food. This also comes from greenfield growth. That means in the next 2 or 3 years, we're going to do new investments, new factories, new assets, and finally M&A growth by actually acquiring potentially new assets and new companies. So the company does look for at least high single-digit growth in the next few years.
How about when evaluating your past performance? Do you believe the company has achieved its target goals? And what does the company have in terms of plans and amendment its strategies in order to achieve the set goals?
I think we've been very consistent for the last 10 years. I think the message for any company is that Taiwan is a very consistent company. We've got very, very strong cash flow. I think the last 3 years, if you look at the operating track record of Taiwan from an investor point of view, I think the margins have been very consistent. I think that's very important. Second of all, I think our ability to generate cash flow and reinvest cash flow is very important. So, Twpc has merged now, is one stronger entity, a much stronger balance sheet, a much stronger cash flow position. As a CEO, I think we are very focused on investing that wisely over the next 3 to 5 years.
And do you have have any particular message for your potential investors who are interested in the Taiwan public?
You know, Taiwan, we want to underpromise and overdeliver. You know, we believe in consistency. We believe in the virtue of good management, and we really believe in being long-term. I think the space that we are in, so we are focused on food, we're focused on starch. We are a Thai company with a production base across ASEAN. We are looking to grow regionally through the rest of the world, and really believe in being a very good, long-term, profitable company. Thank you.